Getting started with Google Sheets. First off, head over to our website and click Get Started. Next, go to the Download section and download the Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now, we'll add our downloaded file to your existing business spreadsheet. In your Google Sheet, open the File menu and click Import. Then Upload and select the file we downloaded a moment ago. In the Import File pop-up, select Insert New Sheet, then tap Import Data. We can now see that the VAT entry worksheet has been added. Now the setup is complete, let's start a VAT return. In the VAT entry worksheet, select the cell for box 1. Tap Delete, then Equals. Select the corresponding cell in your spreadsheet and press Enter. Repeat for VAT boxes 2 to 9. Then click Prepare and then Export and the hyperlink. And we now have a QR code we can scan with our app. Open the app on your phone and find the VAT obligation you want to import to. Click Import and then Import from QR code. Now, scan the QR code, then tap Import. When you're ready to submit your VAT return, tap Submit and your data will get sent to HMRC. And that's how you submit a VAT return with ooo-vat.